We have the light on, the light's off, going out for the distance. ENNOKING is a solar light, LED light. 460 LEDs, 100 watts, 10,000 lumens with a 12,000 mAh battery. It's a floodlight, a magnetic holder of the light with the remote control, and uses the sun rays to recharge as well. For outdoor camping, fishing, hiking, working on the car, basements, attics, wherever you need to have light. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside and how nicely it is packed. You get the USB-A to C charging cable, the remote control with the installed battery that you remove the tab, packaged in a well-protected case, the LED working light, an instruction guide to go over of the unit, 4 chambers of light as you can see, with the kickstand that opens up and adjusts and tighten down to adjust. You can hang from the handle with the hook supplied inside the handle. On the back side over here are your 2 magnets, and on the top side or underside are your USB door, silicone cover for your charging, an indicator of solar light. When fully charged, the lights will be solid green. There are a number of modes to turn on. The brightest at different kelvins, a red and blue flicker and off. Turning on the light and holding the button dims the light in the different kelvins, and holding it again increases the brightness level. On the bottom is a 1/4 20 thread to put on tripod, stands, and more. This is the solar array to charge the battery. Remove the protective film, point the IR towards with the green light, and a light will come on. You could decrease the brightness by simply holding it, and then you cycle through the different warmths to cool of the Kelvin and the strobe light. To get into the SOS, simply hit the SOS, and to shut the unit off, hit the off. We'll demonstrate some areas of how the light works in low light and in a situation. Charging is as simple as finding an outlet with the USB, plug into the bottom of the unit to the supplied area, and the green lights will start to do its charge. In low light situations, we could simply supply light. Where there's no electricity, we can simply hit the on button. Find a spot where you need to have light to work on your car. And turn the light on overhead to work. Magnets, hooks, stand. The light is around the corner, 30 feet away, that will turn on in the distance. When working overhead, wherever you need to put light as an emergency or more, this solar array light can be put anywhere imaginable in spots for your working needs. If this is the product that you are looking for to brighten up the area, change the kelvins you like, dim or brighten to a certain level, and have a remote control in a great distance to operate, seeing hallways, rooftops, basements, wherever you need to have light. This product may be something that you are interested in. You need to change a flat tire, work underneath the car, whatever. This light may be right for you. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your lighting needs, work, camp, garage, basements, outdoors, anywhere imaginable. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.